Hello, my name is Allison McGrath. The date is 8/6/21. Today I did the dissection of the sheep heart. I have this paper here that just has the different names of the areas that we needed to locate in the sheep heart, so I will be going off of that for some of it. So this is the full undissected sheep heart. Here is the anterior portion, and here is the posterior portion. We can see that we have the right ventricle, the right atrium, the left ventricle, and the left atrium. Ooh, am I showing it? I'll show that one more time. We have the, up here, the right ventricle, the right atrium, and then down here, all around to the apex and around, we have the left ventricle, and then back here, the left atrium. So when you first take the heart out of the package, it's surrounded in a lot of this white substance, which is a protective layer of fat around the heart. So unfortunately, I made the mistake of making a sagittal cut down the heart. I was able to salvage that and do a frontal cut to get a better view of each of the compartments of the heart, but now I have 4 separate heart pieces, so bear with me as I try to show this. So here is the interior portion of the heart. As a better view, this is the interventricular septum, which separates the right ventricle from the left ventricle. And up here, in this region, we have the right atrium, and here is the tricuspid valve between the right ventricle and the right atrium. Now these little fibrous lines, these are chordae tendineae, which allow the proper functioning of the valves, so it allows them to open when necessary and close when necessary. On this side, it's a similar layout, except we have the left ventricle, which leads up into the left atrium, and then here we have the mitral valve, and it has the same chordae tendineae. On this portion, you can see this, which is the beginnings of the pulmonary arteries. So it's a little valve here. You can get a better look on these little sections here. Let me take a look. We have the pulmonary artery here, so it goes up and out that way. Let's see. So the heart has different layers. We have the epicardium, which is the outermost layer, and I left a little tiny piece on here. It's just a thin outer layer around the heart. And then here is, or you can see better here, is the myocardium, so it's the middle portion of the heart. And then the most interior portion of the heart, you can see it in here, that would be the endocardium. Let me see. So we also have the aortic valve, which is up here. Right up here is the aortic valve. Let me see. Oh, and then also on this portion, you can see the coronary arteries. So right here, I tried to kind of line them out. The coronary arteries. Sorry, I keep going out of frame. So here's coronary artery, and you can also see it coming down on this side. Here is it, and it branches right here and right here. So that is all I have. I apologize for cutting it into 4 separate pieces, but I was still able to find all of the different components. Thank you.